Are you still converting degree minute second to decimal in Google Chrome? Is it taking much longer time? So this video is for you. In this video we will learn how to convert this conversion in Excel in less than 1 minute. So without delaying, let's start. So here we see that in column A there are some values which are in degree minute second format. To convert this in decimal, we will simply use one formula. For that, we will simply click here equal sign and then click value. And clicking this, we will next click mid and then we will select this box and then we will give a comma and start number will be 1 and here number character will be 2 as 2 digit is here. Then we will close the bracket and then give plus sign and then again click same value and mid. So we'll click value and mid and then again select this box and this time start number will be for minute. So 25 degree 3, so minute is starting at position 4. So we'll click here 4 and then there is two character 3 and 3, so we'll give 2 and then we'll close the bracket and multiply it by 60 to convert it in second. Then give plus sign and again click mid and then select this box again and here start for start number 25 degree 33 minute and 4. So 4 is coming at 7th position, so here we will click 7 and then for character here we can take 2 or 4 any digit. So we are considering only the digit before the decimal point, so we are typing 2 and close the bracket and divide it by 3600 and then enter. We'll get the value. So we will drag this box and we will get all the value in decimal point, but here some error is showing. So this value a column has minute in single digit, so we have to convert in 2 digit by entering 10 here and then enter. So we'll get the value automatically. Then for this error we can say all are 2 digit but there is some space after degree, so we have to press Ctrl H. So this box will open. Here we have to press degree and space. For that we have to press Alt plus 0176 simultaneously. We'll get degree sign and then give one space, and for replacing it with degree we have to press again Alt plus 0176. So we'll get degree and then replace all. So thus all the space after single space after degree will be removed, and if there is a space after minute we can remove similar way. So we have got all the value in decimal point. Now we'll select this box and copy this by Ctrl C and then go to next box, and here we see that there are several columns to convert it in degree minute second. So we'll paste here these values and select this to convert it by values only, and now the digit before the decimal point are the degree value. So to convert this in degree we have to click here and go equal sign and value, then again we have to press mid and then select the column A box which we want to transfer and then comma and starting number will be 1 and 2 character we have to take. Then we close the bracket and we will get the degree value. Then the remaining degree we will calculate by clicking here equal sign and the value in decimal minus degree. So we will get the degree value and this is in decimal. So we have to convert this in minute. So we have to multiply this by 60. So we will give here equal sign and then select this box and multiply it by 60 and then enter. We'll get this minute value. So 2 digit before the decimal point is the value for the minute box. So here we will click again equal sign value and then we will click mid and again select this minute in decimal box and then comma and press 1 and 2, close the bracket and enter. We will get the minute box and the remaining minute in decimal. So we have to minus this minute in decimal and minute value and we will get this value. This is for second value. So here for second conversion we have to multiply this value by 60. So we will select this box and multiply it by 60. So we'll get the second value. Now it is showing 2 digit but here multiple decimal points are there. For now we are considering this value. So in second we will click here equal sign and we'll select this box. So for now we are considering this, and now we can combine this all the value in degree minute second format. For this we have to click here and give one equal sign, and then write concatenate, and here we have got concatenate. Then select the degree box and then give comma, and then in double inverted comma we have to press degree alt 0176, we will get degree, and then close the double inverted comma and then again comma, and then select minute box and follow the same procedure. Here instead of degree we have to give the sign minute, that is single inverted comma, and same follow the same way. And for second box we have to click double inverted comma in place of degree, and then enter the box. One dialog box like this will come and we have to click yes. And here we see that in the second value there is multiple value in decimal point, so we have to change this value, and here we will put the same formula equal sign and then value, and then we have to press mid and then select this second value, and then comma and start number 1 and character 2, close the bracket and enter. So we'll see that combined value have come in 2 digit. Now we have to simply drag this, and for dragging this we have to select the box and double click on the plus sign, and all the value will be automatically changed. So after clicking all the box we are seeing that some values are changing automatically, and here is the final result. So this is the final result, and this video was that much.